Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the studio component. So this is mainly helpful for creating of the applications from scratch level, sir. From scratch level. So this is very important while creating the applications from scratch level. So first you should also navigate the studio in our navigation menu. Then it may displays the system application studio component is there. Just you should also click on that studio. So it takes so just have a look here. So you should create the new application. So this is there, create application. So just you should also create the application. Click on the create application. So just have a look here. So let's get started. Okay, so choose a name and app experience and create a table and add data and customize the details. Just have a look here. So let's get started. Just click on the let's get started and put it on here. That is the application name. So what is your application name? So I will choose that is the IRCTC registration. So let me take that IRCTC registration. It's helpful for IRCTC registration. Okay, is it scoped or global? So I am preparing my application as a scoped level. So that means the scoped level. Okay, global is different and scoped is different. So that is my application is being as a scope. So now create. Okay, just I have given the only application name. Okay, and put it on a scoped application and roles. So now you should also give the roles. So that is the who will able to make the particular application and who will build the particular application and who will see the particular application. So okay, those are the things will be given here. That is the roles. Admin. Just I have given the only one admin role. Now continue. Just have a look here. Okay, so just have a look here. So actually that has been having some issue. So that's why that's okay, done that's done at particular place. Now let me see that create the application. So already created that this one IRCTC REG. So just click on that. If it is existed, then click on that. In this, let create the okay. So where you have to okay. So this particular application where we have to store. So that things are also required. So just create a new file type. Okay, so just let me select it as the create a new file type. In this, if the already table already available for storing of those records IRCTC application and their records, so then simply to selecting as a their table. If it is not there, then select as the table and create. That means you should also created the table for your new application. So that is the just create. So create the table also. So now have a look. Already we know that how we are created the table. So this is the, so that is the label name is, for example, IRCTC table, for example, and extending of the table. So IRCTC table is extending with anyone. So yes, that is the extending with there. So that is the, let me see that sys underscore user. So generally those details are enough to creating of the our, okay, sys underscore, just let me see that. User extends table sys underscore user. Sys underscore user, those are missing here. So actually these all are missing here. So that is the, some tables are missing, especially to the extending of the table. So that is the DL matcher is there and instance with there. Okay, let it be. We should also created the new fields also without taking the particular extending table. Okay, let it be. And create the module name new. So that is the IRCTC table, create new. Okay, and now just have a look here. So while creating the table, so now what we do here, so that is also okay, created the fields from scratch level. That means the all are created by ourselves. So let it be. That's why I am also neglecting the extending of the table. So just neglect it. Now go to control section. In our control session, just you have to click on the, okay, you have to enable the checkbox of auto number, so that records are started with the IRC. So that is there, or IRCTC, whatever it may be. If you should put it that one, so that is also fine, IRCTC. So then submit or save that. Submit or save that. So just have a look here at the right side, left side. So now you should also created the table, IRCTC table, for your IRCTC application, and those are also access, okay, access controls are there. Those access controls are the read, create, read and write and delete options, and application menus are there. So that application menu is the IRCTC table. First menu is the IRCTC table, and module is also there, IRCTC table and application menu. So those all are there. Now have a look here. Now what are the fields have been created while submitting the particular table? Just have a look. Just come to the column session. So in our column session, just have a look here. Created by, created, sysID, updates, updated by, updated. These are the 6 fields are existing. Okay. So these 6 fields are created while created the particular table. So these are the default fields. That's why you should simply say that default fields have arrived here. So these are the default fields. And number is the, okay, number is already we should also given. So that is the by the help of control section. Now how we are created the new field. For example, we should also created the some fields. So that fields are created the with the help of, okay, some that methods. Those are the form layout and form design, and additional method is also here in our tables. That is the our new button is there, or okay, new button. Just have a look here. There is a new button. So just click on that. So now we have created the new field. So that is the, for example, customer, okay, or existing customer, existing customer. Sorry, data type. Actually this is the data type. So the data type is reference. So just click on the reference, and this one is the existing customer. So if he is okay, existing customer, then let me choose their name directly, existing customer. Okay, and reference special, okay, specification, that is the table, sys user table, score user, sys underscore user. So that is there. So, and choice list specification, that is not required here. And let we observe that there are some fields are there. Those are the our function field is there, read only field is there, and mandatory and display. So these all are also available here. So just you should also okay submit it for creating of the particular field. Now come to this place, and now you should also again created the another field. So that is the new field is the, this is the string type. So that string is uh, new customer, new customer. So, and this length is the 100 or 50, for example 50 only. And choice list specification no need, and then submit it. So if he is being as a new customer, then let we use the particular field. And next one, so is there any okay any other details are required, that is the yes, new again. So that is again string, and unique ID, for example unique ID string. So unique ID, not it is taking as a string, choice type, for example choice unique ID. So in this choice let we created the some choices. So those choices are okay, just save this one. So whatever the choices are there, that is the Aadhaar card, PAN card, okay, and so just those choices are also created directly here. So that is the Aadhaar, okay, and sequence is the 100. So next one, PAN card, and the sequence is the 200. So next one, passport, and this is the third one, 300. And any other licenses, that is the driving license, driving license 400. So now update it. So these are the fields have been created in our table. So just have a look, go to this place and update, just update. So now just have a look here. So whatever the fields have been created, so those all are reflecting here. So while making the updation, so that is the new customer is there, existing customer is there, and unique ID is there. Okay, so if you want to see this particular form, just form, application form, so just click on the show form. So while opening the show form, then whatever the fields are there in our particular form, so let they display the in our form. Okay, so that is the IRCTC name and existing customer and new customer and Aadhaar or whatever it may be. So that is there. Sorry, unique Aadhaar details. Aadhaar is there. Okay, Aadhaar only. Aadhaar PAN especially update. Okay, let it be. So these are the details are there. Now going to back. Okay, if you want to develop the particular form, so then you should also choose these methods. That is the layout. Okay, form layout method or form design method, whatever it may be. Just you should also choose that. So that is the, for example, form design is there. In our form design there are fields. Okay, field types already there. In our field types already there. Okay, so what type of data type? So that is the uh, so calendar. So calendar data type, integer data type, and string. So annotation. So whatever the fields are required, so just you should also consider and take it as, okay, just take it as the pick and drop those particular details here. So that is the calendar, for example. So in this, so that is the created registration date, for example. So now, so if you are created the new field, then that field has, okay, that value has arrived here, u underscore something. So u underscore, if the existing field, if it is already existing in our global level, then you shouldn't have this u underscore, only created underscore reg underscore, okay, date. Okay, so that is the difference is there. So how we are saying that this field is being as a custom field or okay, existing field. So that is the simple difference is there. Created registration date and phone number. So phone number field already there or not, let you check that type of data type. So if it is not there, then if you are choosing this one, that is the integer, for example, so what will happen? Just have a look here, integer data type, and just put it here, and this integer, in our integer, that is the phone number. So then let it be, and whatever the other details are required, that is the address. So that is the address. So it is the address. So address is there. So and minimum length, okay, maximum length is the here, so that is the 100. So just address is there, and any other details are required, so that is the address and nominee details. For example, let we created the new section. So that is the, in our new section, uh, this is the nominee session. Okay, that is the name. So string, so nominee name, okay, nominee name. And another one is also age. So that age is the important, so that is also integer. Let we take that, if it is taking as the integer, so age, sorry, just click on the gear icon and age. So and relation, so that is the again string, relation, so that is the relation, relation, relationship. So these are the fields are created here. and now save it. After that, uh, the fields are okay existing in our form or not. Just you should also give the some update here. So just update here. Just have a look here. So those all are available. And now let me see that that is the show form. So is there okay. So how they are appeared here. So just have a look. Existing customer or a new customer. Okay. Created registration date, phone number, address, and nominee name, nominee age, and their relationship. Okay. And so that is the unique ID. So unique ID is Aadhaar only reflecting here. Let we see that why only reflecting the Aadhaar. Okay, unique ID. So just see that in our form design unique ID. So there are only Aadhaar is there, but we have created the other also. But why it shouldn't reflecting here? So just have a look. So go back to this place. So this driving, okay, just update it here, update. So 100, sorry, Aadhaar 0, 200, 300, 400. Choice field, okay. So this is the way to creating of the application. Okay, application along with their table also, along with their table creation. So whatever the applications we have created here, those applications will be stored into their separate tables, their specific tables. So the table is also created here. That is the IRCTC table is also created. So now just have a look in our show form. So is it reflecting or not? No, it's not reflecting unique ID. So that is something missing here. So now, so if you want to make these changes, for example, so you need not to develop those some other fields, okay, and some scripting. So those are those type of, okay, those all are the methods, and that particular creation, okay. So those methods will be uh, just you want to make those changes in our this place, that is the navigation menu. Just click on that. That is the IRCTC is reflecting here or not. So especially IRCTC, no, it's not reflecting right now. So now tables, tables, go to system tables, system definition tables. So IRCTC is available here. So IRCTC, now come to this place and now go to the form layout. So form layout point of view, so just you should also create this place. So that means once you have created the application by the studio component along with the table, then it's fine. So if you want to make the changes in this window, so this window is seems to be some new for our people. So that is this is the studio component window. So if you want to make the changes, then let you try it and change that. If it seems to be some new, so then you should also make those changes in our regular navigation. That means the regular homes, regular legacy UI. So that is this is the UI is there, okay, regular UI. So the user interface is there, regular user interface with the navigation menu. So now you should also search on that particular table or go to tables again. In that place, so just select the particular table and choose that is the form layout method, or we develop the particular or we develop the particular form or form design method, whatever it may be. So just click on that and make those changes, those developments. So now just have a look here. So when we have created the new application along with the table, so then this is also being as a scope. So that's why, so that particular globe icon is have the circular. Okay, so this is now this application is being as a scope. So that means whatever the amendments you will do, those all are captured by only particular application scope. Okay, particular updated set. So that is there. Okay guys, and you should also created the modules, okay, for this particular this application. So that is the modules already there in this place. Just have a look. IRCTC modules, IRCTC table is there. Okay, modules. So this is the module is the IRCTC tables. IRCTC tables is there, and the link type is the, so list of record. So this is the all will indicates here. IRCTC application menu, and title is the IRCTC table. See all, and other number is the, for example, 150. Update it. Modules, and create the new. So that is also available or not, let me check here. So that is the modules creation menus. So directly you should also created the modules at this place. That is the our studio component space. You should also created the modules preparations. Okay, modules. So access control list, labels, and database index. Okay, modules, application menus, modules. So just if you want to create the new module, that is the insert and stay, just click on that, and this is the new, so not new form, for example, new form, new reg form, new registration form, and this order number is the 50 for new, and visibility, so to all, and link type is the, so just you should also created that is the new record only. So new record, and now update it. So just have a look here. So you should also created the modules in this place. Okay, so that is the way is there for creating the modules. Whatever the amendments you will do, those all are also able to make it in our studio component space, and similarly to do that in your regular area also, in our regular legacy platform. So that is the in our okay regular UI. So that is the, so navigation UI is already there. So by the help of this one, you should also make the particular changes, and studio component space will also do the same similar changes. Okay, so but small difference is there, that is the difference is user interface. So that user interface, and whatever the things you will do, those all are will be okay available in our particular okay, those all are will be representing in our left side navigation. Okay, in our studio component especially. Okay guys, I hope I will understand that this particular concept for creation of the applications from scratch level. So from scratch level. Okay, thank you guys.